Okay, let's go ahead and walk through just a few more songs that use that F and C combination. Let's begin with the Itsy Bitsy Spider tune. So again, we're just going to look at the notes, and the notes will tell us exactly when we need to change that chord. So we do the F, Itsy Bitsy Spider, and we change to C for up the water spout is on the F. So let's begin that. And you can always practice one line over and over till you get the hang of that. Move on to the second line, play that till you get the hang of it, and play 1 and 2 together till it's feeling right. Okay? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Okay, let's play that again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Okay, let's do that all from the beginning. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, let's try Kookaburra. Kookaburra is going to start on the C. Okay, so let's start down here on the C. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, merry, merry, king of the bushes he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh, Kookaburra, gay your life must be. A little bit faster. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, merry, merry, king of the bushes he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh, Kookaburra, gay your life must be. Then we'll do Mary Had a Little Lamb, starting on the F. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. There's lots of different songs we can sing to the same tune. So let's try the If You're Wearing Red Today that we could do for a welcoming song. If you're wearing red today, red today, red today. If you're wearing red today, stand up and shout hooray. Now anything we play with an F and a C, you could also play with the F and the C7 and see which one you like the feeling of better. So C7 is just putting your index finger on that first fret. Okay, so C is the third finger on the third fret. C7 is the first finger on the first fret. So let's just play with Mary Had a Little Lamb for a second. Let's do it first with the C, and then we'll try with A7. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Now let's try it with a C7. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So go ahead and play with all those songs you've already learned in F and C. Try them in F and C7, and then go forward in the song sheet, and you're going to discover we have a whole lot more songs that work well with that F and C7 pairing.